To add transparent videos in Wix Studio, click on the plus icon in the top left corner. If you then click on Media and Transparent Video, you can find different transparent videos to choose from. To see a wider collection, just click on More Transparent Videos. You can hover over the videos to see a preview and yes, just choose what you like. If you have your own transparent video to add to your website, just click on Upload Media and select it. Let's click on Add to Page to continue. Once we added the transparent video to our page, we can change, for example, the size and other parameters in the inspector, same as we do with images or other elements. If we place the transparent video inside this container and right-clicking Place into Container, we can add a hover animation, for example, this move animation right here. If we click on Adjust Animation, we can change different parameters and we can see a preview if we click on Preview. Let's add another transparent video by clicking on the plus icon in the top left corner, Media and Transparent Videos, More Transparent Videos, and here we are going to select this tiger right here. Click on Add to Page. Let's resize it and also put it right into this container here. Right click, place in container, and then we are going to add a loop animation. So click on animation, loop, and then click on add. Here I'm going to select this cross animation. To change the direction, I'm clicking here from left, increase the duration, and then let's see the preview. You can see that you created an effect of a walking tiger. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.